Hello everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Surprise. Happy birthday to Grant Melanie Jennings and Linda R. Bridges, even to those whose names not mentioned. Happy birthday to you as well. And we love you. We ask that God bless you with many more. Uncle JJ, don't you want to talk to the birthday people?
Oh sure, Twiggy, we hear it. You tell me ministries like to wish happy birthday to Grant Melanie Jennings and Linda R. Bridges, and those whose names weren't mentioned. A happy birthday. We have a special song just for you, and may God bless you with many more. God bless you all.
And we have others who wish to give some shout outs as well. Here is Meg D and my aunt, Gigi, my mom Terry, my cousin, Junior.
Hi. Happy birthday. To Grant Melanie Jennings and Linda R. Bridges.
He. Happy birthday. What do you call them? Grant Melanie Jennings and Linda R. Bridges.
JJ, what's this person's name? Happy birthday. Grant Melanie Jennings and Linda R. Bridges.
Mom. I keep forgetting the birthday people's name. Happy birthday. People. Okay, who moved the cue cards? What? Oh, there they are. Okay, their names or names are Raphatus T. Calhoun Jr. ampersand the late Marcus Martin, and if I've forgotten anyone, well, you too. Ha 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 ha.
Junior. Well, thoughts okay, baby. Okay, Twiggy, finish it up.
Junior. Well, oh well. Anyway people, enjoy the rest of your evening.